All right, welcome. In this part, we're going to learn about horizontal translations on the rational functions in the rational graph. The first thing we want to learn is we want to use f of x equals 1 over x as a guide to find out what these translations are. And then the next thing you notice is when you see how it changed, you have 1 over x, but what is this home? I'm trying to get the right brush here. We have 1 over x here. It's going to be the parent graph. But you see this one? The first transformation that we're going to deal with is going to be minus NH here. And what did I do? Control Z. When we have this type of change, we're going to have a horizontal translation. So for in this case, a plus 3 and a minus 4. And I don't know if you know this, but if it's plus H, then it's going to move to the left. And if it's minus H, it's going to move to the right. All right, so I expect this one, because it says plus 3, to move to the left. And I expect this one, because it says minus 4, to move to the right 4 units, right? And this one will be 3 units. Now let's go ahead and sketch them and see what this looks like. Oh, well, first of all, let's do this. Let me get black. All right, we know that f of x equals 1 over x looks like this. This is the horizontal asymptote. This is the vertical asymptote. Like I said before, with a digital pen, this isn't so easy. What pen was I using before? And to sketch the graph, it looks like this. I'm using all my concentration here to sketch this curve. Okay. Now, if we expect this one, because it says plus 3, to move 3 units to the left, what's literally going to happen is that this horizontal asymptote, okay, is going to move 3 units to the left. So it's going to move 1, 2, 3. The horizontal asymptote is going to be here. Vertical asymptote is still going to be here. Right? Still going to be the x-axis. So the only thing that moves is this 3 units. Right? So it's now at x equals negative 3. And guess what? This is the root, right? What's the critical point from here? X equals negative 3. All right, so now the vertical asymptote is there, and our curve is no longer here, right? This one is going to be over here. Wait, I need the brush, right? And this other one is not here. But it's going to be here. Ah, it came out all crooked. Okay, so it's going to shift to the left 3 units. Now let's sketch it and see what happens, okay? Let's see, coming over here, put my pen down, turn this on. Don't worry, it's just a calculator. Okay, I have 1 over x already entered, so it's this one. And I'm going to come back over here. I'm going to come down to y equals 2, or the second function, and I'm going to plot, not this, apparently, but 1 divided by, I'm going to put this in parentheses, x plus 3. X plus 3. Right, I'm going to grab it. You see what happened? It literally shifted 3 units to the left. So this would be 1 unit, 2 units, 3 units. The vertical asymptote is now at x equals 3. Just like we sketched over here. It's now at x equals 3. So it used to be here. It used to be the red one, but it's now this one. So we can easily see from this that all this is doing is a horizontal translation. So then when we try to sketch this one, right, we know that our horizontal asymptote is going to stay the same, right? But now the y-axis, trying to draw a straight line, oh my gosh. The y-axis is no longer the it's like I'm trying to do 3 different things at the same time. I'm sorry. It's no longer the vertical asymptote. So our horizontal asymptote is still the same, but our vertical asymptote has now moved 4 units to the right. So we'll say this is 1, 2, 3, 4. Our vertical asymptote is not here, now here at x equals 4. Right? This is y equals 0. And if you look at this one right here, what's the critical point? X equals positive 4. All right, so when you sketch this, this is still a positive in front over here. So the graph is going to be here. And the graph is going to be over here. It's going to approach the asymptote both ends. Okay? So let's go ahead and sketch this and see what it looks like. And this one is fine, but we want to clear the second one and we want to make it 1 divided by x minus 4. And you cannot use this calculator on the test. Are we clear? So don't get too comfortable now thinking that you don't need to know this. This is the 1 over x, and this is the 1 over x minus 4. As you can see, the vertical asymptote has shifted to x equals positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right.